The Infinite Chroma SFX Makeup Kit is a comprehensive suite of special effects makeup essentials, meticulously curated to support the creative journey of artists at every skill level, from enthusiastic beginners to seasoned experts. This premier kit, unparalleled in its scope and versatility, has been rigorously tested and endorsed by leading figures in the SFX industry, ensuring its place as the definitive choice for quality, innovation, and performance. It allows for the creation of infinite SFX makeup looks, bridging the gap between imagination and realization. With the SFX Makeup Kit, artists can explore an unlimited array of special effects makeup looks, ensuring that every creative vision can be brought to life with precision and flair.
Offering infinite possibilities.
Silicone Witch Old Person Prosthetic. Transform into enchanting witches or wise elders with our Silicone Witch Old Person Prosthetic. It masterfully accentuates unique features for a lifelike portrayal, crafted from high-quality silicone for seamless blending. Latex Foam Zombie Vampire Prosthetic. Enter the realm of the undead with our Latex Foam Zombie or Vampire Prosthetic. Its detailed design of wounds and textures offers a hauntingly realistic transformation for horror enthusiasts. Latex Foam Alien or Creature Prosthetic. The Latex Foam Alien or Creature Prosthetic is your ticket to otherworldly transformations. Essential for creating convincing aliens and fantasy creatures with its unparalleled sculpting capabilities. Latex Bald Cap. Achieve a seamless bald appearance with our Latex Bald Cap. Expertly crafted for a perfect skin blend, it offers a smooth, realistic base for any character transformation, ensuring a professional bald look for a wide range of creative and theatrical applications. Prosthetic Adhesive. Ensure your prosthetics stay put, a robust prosthetic adhesive designed for strong, reliable attachment during any performance or shoot. Prosthetic Adhesive Remover. Remove prosthetics gently and effectively with our Prosthetic Adhesive Remover. Formulated to prevent skin irritation while cleaning adhesive residues, perfect for post-performance care. Prosthetic Sealer. Seal and protect your prosthetic makeup with our Prosthetic Sealer, enhancing durability and appearance for a flawless finish before adding final makeup touches. Liquid Latex. Achieve flexible, realistic effects with liquid latex, an essential substance for creating makeup applications, providing a versatile foundation for various effects. Scar Wax. Sculpt ultra-realistic scars or alter facial features seamlessly with Scar Wax, a versatile, easy-to-blend material indispensable for detailed character makeup. Scar Wax Oil. Improve the malleability and smoothness of Scar Wax for precise application with Scar Wax Oil, enhancing the ease of manipulation for a flawless finish. Ash Powder. Create authentic survivor looks with ash powder, perfectly simulating the appearance of ash, dirt, and grime for dystopian or aftermath scenes. Fake Blood. Achieve lifelike bleeding effects with fake blood, essential for portraying injuries and violence with its realistic fluid consistency. Spray Fake Blood. For dynamic blood splatter effects, use Spray Fake Blood, ideal for adding authenticity to violence or injury scenes with its natural dispersion patterns. Coagulated Fake Blood. Simulate older, clotted blood with coagulated fake blood, perfect for deep wound effects in horror films and injury simulations for a gruesomely convincing look. Tooth Paint. Match character dental requirements with tooth paint, essential for simulating various dental conditions or coloring teeth for fantastical characters. Metal Spatula. Mix makeup and adhesives to perfection with the precision of a metal spatula, ensuring the ideal consistency and color blend for detailed applications. Rounded Point Scissors. Cut with precision and safety using rounded point scissors, designed with blunt tips to minimize injury risk while providing clean, precise cuts. Small 30ml cup. Ensure precise color blending and minimizing waste with small 30ml cups, perfect for single-use mixing and creating bespoke shades without excess. Cotton Swabs. Achieve meticulous makeup effects with cotton swabs, essential for tight space applications, edge cleanups, or texture effects, offering versatility in detailed work. Sponge. Apply, smooth, and create textures effortlessly with indispensable sponge, supporting professional makeup applications from base layers to complex textures. Texture sponge. Add depth and realism to makeup with the texture sponge, ideal for stippling effects and simulating specific skin conditions, showcasing its value in innovative makeup industry. Color wheel. Master color theory and makeup artistry with the color wheel, simplifying color correction, blending, and selection for harmonious and balanced looks. SFX brush set. The SFX brush set, designed for specific SFX makeup needs, supports seamless transitions between detailing and broad strokes, a vital tool for any SFX makeup artist.